Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today I'll be covering the Shido hack as well as whether or not now is a good time to be buying some of your favorite crypto projects. I would also be sharing with you some great altcoin gems that I believe are worth accumulating and will do well in this upcoming bull run. So stay tuned for today's video. It's going to be jam-packed with a lot of information. So starting off with the Shido hack, this is a project that I've been covering for a while now and I actually do in fact hold some of it in my portfolio. This morning we got some bad news with some exploits on the Shido smart contract and a vulnerability that caused it to plummet about 94% as an exploiter drains the Ethereum staking contract. So this is one of the sad realities about investing in the crypto space. There is the risk of losing everything. Well, that's why I always emphasize the importance of diversifying your portfolio. The Shido hack indeed caused some loss of funds, but I was protected by my other investments. However, the most important question to be asking now is, what is next for the Shido network? Now, when hacks like this happen, this is something that can happen to even the best projects. When things like this happen, the most important thing is how the team handles it, is how the development moves forward with this project. And many people have contacted me asking me if now is a good time, to buy this dip, to eat up some of the exploit that has been going on. It really depends on the team, whether or not they can get back up on their feet. So you should really think about these things before trying to catch a falling knife. That might not always work out, but a lot of times in crypto, especially if the team is good, well, these projects tend to bounce back up. So let's look at what the team is saying so far. They are aware of it and they are currently taking steps to make sure that those affected will be compensated. Now, this is something that I like to see. You can see here, Shido will cover any liquidity loss from earlier this morning. Rest assured, we have secured any potential threats on our infrastructure. All stakers will receive their Shido tokens. All currently holding Shido will continue to do so. So there's no intention to migrate to another version, and I think this is a good learning opportunity for the team. I still believe in Shido, even though I will be reducing some of my exposure to it. I do believe that this is worth placing a little bet on for the long term. So long term, you should move with caution with every single cryptocurrency project, even Bitcoin, and try to invest smartly. Next, we are going to be covering whether now is a good time to be buying any crypto project. And to be honest, Bitcoin has had quite a run recently, going over 18% in the past 7 days alone, and I think this is quite impressive for a mega large cap like Bitcoin, over $1.2 trillion in market cap. Now, a lot of people are going into a lot of projects right now thinking, oh, the bull run is here and we should be buying. Well, I will say that even though I'm a fan of buying new projects, I won't be buying projects that are popping up just now. Whenever the market becomes bullish like this, we would see a lot of bad actors. There will be a lot of scammers. There will be a lot of hackers like we've seen with Shido. This is not the time to be buying projects that are coming up just now. However, I will be buying fresh projects that have been around for like 1 year, that have built and have a growing dedicated community and ecosystem. So buy fresh projects, don't buy brand new projects. You need to be extra careful if you're buying brand new projects. And why should you even be going for projects that are popping up just now? There are many projects that are tested. There are many projects that are very powerful right now. You don't need to be taking ridiculous and unnecessary amount of risk. I mean, it's all over the news right now. Crypto is pumping. We've got MKBHD talking about Bitcoin again. That just shows how we don't even have retail into crypto yet like in the previous bull run. So we're still early, but the attention is getting there. We've got people tweeting about it again. So with all of that in mind, here are some fresh, great projects that I think will do well and will take advantage of this upcoming bull run. The first one is Pyth Network. Now, I really like this project. I've been following this for a very long time, and my Patreon community got in. This is an interesting project, and I still strongly believe that Oracle projects are essential in the crypto space. Being able to get reliable information from other sources onto the blockchain is essential for the crypto space to thrive. I think this is an interesting project. The Pyth Network is the largest and fastest fast-growing first-party Oracle network. Pi delivers real-time market data to financial dApps across 40 plus blockchains and provides 380 plus low-latency price feeds across cryptocurrencies, queries, and so on. Sitting at $1 billion in market cap, this could easily do a 10x in the bull run proper, and that's easy gains for a great project like this. You can see here on their website, smarter data for smarter contracts, securing your smart contracts with reliable low latency market data from institutional sources. They've got a lot of partnerships, they've got this thriving ecosystem, this thriving community. These are the things I like to see in a project that will take it fast. So regarding its tokenomics, it's got about 15% in circulation. For a high cap with a lot of VCs and backers, I'm willing to bet that these are not people that are just going to sell the tokens. They are going to want to see this project succeed for a very long time. Pi token has a limited supply of just 10 billion tokens and it will not increase, and I think that's going to do very well for this project. The next one on my list is one that I've covered recently, and that's XAI. Now this is a project that works hard to bring over Web2 gamers to the Web3 space, and I think that's quite useful for crypto. The Zai token is currently sitting at $369 million in market cap, and I covered it in my most recent video. I think this one is going to do very well as well. Zai token was developed to enable real economies and open trades in the next generation of video game, and the main reason why I really like this project is that you can interact with their platform without the need to use crypto wallets. Like I said in the previous video, crypto can be intimidating for a lot of people, so projects that move forward helping people to get comfortable with the space will do very well in my opinion. So a real 20x gem in my opinion for this bull run. And the third project on my list today is another one that I'm a big fan of, and that's Gamercoin. Now if you had been paying attention to my video, if you had been subscribed to this channel, I covered this project at around $30 million in market cap. That's over a 50% from where we are right now. So this is a project that I think will do well. It's a very interesting combination of DePIN, decentralized physical infrastructure networks, and gaming. Now these are two narratives that I'm bullish on, and I believe Gamercoin, tapping into two bullish narratives is a formula for success in my opinion. Currently sitting at $46 million in market cap. This is a project that aims to connect and lend computational power from a lot of users all around the world using blockchain technology. 770,000 plus gamers share their GPU power for AI and mining. So it's tapping into a lot AI, mining, gaming, DePIN, decentralized cloud computing, and so much more. I'm bullish on this project. I think it's an easy 20 to 50x for the bull run, and one that you should definitely not be sleeping on. The Gamer Hash has interesting tokenomics, good ecosystem, good building, good development, and I'm bullish on it for the long term. There's a lot going for it. They've got staking, and I think that this project is one that you should be keeping an eye out for. So that's it for this video. A quick update on the Shido hack, the market, as well as some low cap gems that I'm bullish on. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you've subscribed by now. Like, share, comments down below on any other project or topic you'd like to see me cover, and I hope to see you next time. Stay safe and take care.